Welcome to Butterfly Learning's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about tips to improve hand grip. All children learn through physical and sensory exploration. Some children may struggle with fine motor coordination, which refers to using your muscles, usually finger muscles, for fine tasks: writing, typing, squeezing, pinching, etc. Addressing the underlying foundations of fine motor skill development: strength, grasp, etc. You can check out the following everyday activities for fine motor movement development. Overall strength exercises for upper body and hand strength. 8. Have your child climb up and down over playground equipment: monkey bars, slides, etc. Monkey bars would be the most helpful. Do play activities that involve wheelbarrow walking, crab walking, donkey kicks, etc. Teen. Have them play, pinch, cut Play-Doh. 4. Give them a small water bottle to play with in the bathtub, or ask them to water the plants to build small muscles. Grasp and control appropriate placement of hands, fingers to work small tools. 8. Under adult supervision, ask your child to use tongs, tweezers, pick up objects like scrunched up paper, cotton, etc. to familiarize them with different textures. Though, for small hands, use short and wider tools to aid with finger positioning. For example, break jumbo crayons into half. Teen. Have your child work on vertical surfaces like taping the wall with a butcher paper where your child can draw, to build grasp. Touch, feel and play increase the awareness of hands and fingers. 8. Have your child play in anything messy: paints, pudding, shaving cream, slime, etc. If your child is sensitive to certain textures, find something appropriate. Do have them play in sand just like that, or with a sand kit. Bury a few things in sand, and ask them to dig through to find them. Teen. Play treasure hunt with uncooked rice, beans, cotton, small toys, etc. And those were some tips on how to improve hand grip. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content.